ब्रॉडवे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ ਜਾਣ ਦੇ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਵੇਗਾ ਹਕੀਕਤ ਦੀ ਉਡਾਨ।
Very good afternoon, friends. So today's show, which we are making, is for particularly a Quebec student. The students who are waiting for results from a long time, I think more than a year. The reason of making this show, in particularly in English, because I want this voice to reach the Canadian officials. I want this voice to reach to the IRCC. They must understand, they must know the pain that students are going through from last long time of 1 year. I remember when the lockdowns happened, and certainly in a day 1 or 2, in somewhere in March in India. And since that, it was IRCC who came forward and started communication with students through webinars. I think that's a very appreciating task that Canadian government proceeded and the IRCC implemented it, which supported many students, and then students adopted the new way as the Canadian officials guided them. That was through APIs. So students started receiving APIs, they started putting themselves into online classes and tried to do everything to keep their future safe. But when the inquiries opened in Quebec somewhere in January, and after that the restriction ban was put on for till 31st of March. After that, we seeing a silence from the IRCC. I request IRCC to come forward and clarify the students of the Quebec regarding the processing of their applications. Although as by experience and as by knowledge and as by working, we understand that Quebec students' applications are getting updated daily basis by the IRCC, the visa processing and the visa officers. But still, the students are uncertain about their future. They have seen the very few results after 31st of March ban, but after that there was no results at all. They want an official confirmation from IRCC. I request IRCC again, they must come forward. We have seen in Chandigarh today that a lot of Quebec students who are depressed, their situations are not that happy, their families are suffering, there a lot of money they have put in. There are around each student, I would say around $25,000 are on stake. They are held with the colleges and the GIC from last 1 year, and students are continuously waiting for the result, but there is no single hope that they could be confident that they would be receiving any result any soon. And due to that, the student protested in Chandigarh High Commission, where they also given the letter. You can see in the pictures, the different pictures that we received from the protest place. So I request IRCC that they must come forward officially. They must organize the webinars that they used to do earlier in the corona pandemic. They used to do a lot of webinars and come forward and explain things to the students, how they could go through the visa and API, and how long would that take, and what problems they could face in online classes and all that. But today we see the IRCC is quite on the issue of Quebec. I request IRCC to come forward for these students, and for the students as well. I would request them that they need to keep a patience, because when they made a protest in High Commission, they given a written letter to the High Commission officer, and they promised them that they would get back to them in 10 days or 2 weeks. So I think students should also give them a time and wait for the situation. But at the same time, IRCC and the Canadian government, including Justin Trudeau, the Prime Minister of Canada, who always being supporting to the international student during this pandemic, they tried to do the maximum they could do. I understand that, but still these Quebec students need to get out of this torture. So they must be heard once, so they must be replied once. So I request the Canadian government to come forward. This is my message for the particular Canadian government and IRCC. और इसी के साथ मैं स्टूडेंट्स को भी ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये आवाज़ जो मैंने यहाँ से की है, ये आपके लिए नहीं है, ये उनके लिए मैसेज है. आई होप आप इस शो को शेयर करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसे आगे पहुँचाने की कोशिश करेंगे कि IRCC कोई ना कोई वेबिनार क्रिएट करे, या कोई ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट चाहे वो ट्वीट करके दे, वो क्यूबेक के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ कहें, उन्हें बताएं कि आगे का आने वाला सिनारियो क्या होगा. ऑल्दो हम देख रहे हैं कि आपकी आपकी फाइल्स रेगुलर अपडेट्स हो रही हैं, किसी स्टूडेंट्स के मेडिकल अपडेट हो रहे हैं, फाइल रिव्यूज हो रही हैं, वो सारी स्टेजेस चल रही हैं। बट रिजल्ट जिस अमाउंट में आप देखना चाहते थे, वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट उस अमाउंट में रिजल्ट अभी तक वो नहीं दिखे हैं। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कि इस शो को सब्सक्राइब चैनल को करें ना करें वो अलग बात है, लेकिन इस शो को आगे पहुंचाने की कोशिश जरूर करें ताकि ये आवाज़ कहीं ना कहीं सुनी जा सके, ये आपका मैसेज आपके बिहाफ पे जो मैंने देने की कोशिश की है ये मैसेज उन तक पहुंच सके। सो आगे भी कोशिश जो है इस चैनल के जरिए लगातार करते रहेंगे, चाहे वो किसी भी कंट्री के स्टूडेंट हों, किसी तरह की प्रॉब्लम में फंसे हों, ये चैनल ऑलवेज इज देयर टू हेल्प यू एंड असिस्ट यू। आज के लिए इतना, फिर मिलेंगे। नमस्कार दोस्तों। जो दोस्त ब्रॉडवे इमिग्रेशन की सर्विसेज लेना चाहते हैं वो कैसे हमारे साथ कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए मैं आपको शुरू में जरूर बताऊंगा। सो यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो 3 steps, a simple 3 steps. Number 1, you need to visit our website broadwaystudy.com. Number 2, you need to fill a form. वेबसाइट पे एक फॉर्म होगा, you have to fill your name, number and the country you wish to travel. And number 3, उसके बाद जब आप फॉर्म सबमिट करेंगे यू कैन सी आवर ऑनलाइन काउंसलर्स आउट देयर। यू कैन सेलेक्ट योर काउंसलर बाय जस्ट क्लिकिंग एनी वन ऑफ देम एंड द वीडियो कॉल विल स्टार्ट ऑटोमेटिकली। जैसे ही आप किसी एक काउंसलर के नाम पे क्लिक करेंगे वो वीडियो कॉल अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। सो एनीवेयर फ्रॉम इंडिया, आउटसाइड इंडिया, यू विश टू टेक अ ब्रॉडवे इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज, यू कैन अप्लाई विद अस ऑनलाइन फ्रॉम योर होम, फ्रॉम योर कंट्री। थैंक यू।
ब्रॉडवे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ ਜਾਣ ਦੇ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਵੇਗਾ ਹਕੀਕਤ ਦੀ ਉਡਾਨ।